Yeah. Shorty, I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? If you are already seeing by the title, this wig is from OQ Hair, and they went ahead and sent me this 4x6 lace closure unit. I'm really living for this. The parting space is everything. It is super genius, glueless, easy to install. I could take it off anytime I want to, and they are also having a sale, so this wig is literally for the low. Definitely do not forget to go ahead and check the description box for the links to this gorgeous wig. It is their water wave unit in 20 inches, and I'm really feeling this length. This is super cute. Okay, not too long, not too short, not a bob, it's just mid-length cute stuff. And if you'd like to see how I did my quick and easy glueless install for this wig from OQ Hair, just keep on watching. I'm using 𝐀𝐦𝐚𝐳𝐢𝐧𝐠 number 25 volume spray as something to pretty much just slick back these hairs before I start the install. A lot of you guys asked. This is the 𝐀𝐦𝐚𝐳𝐢𝐧𝐠 brand. Let's get started.
That I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, holding everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you round, go round. I want you round, go round.
Alright, you guys, so this wig is from OQ Hair, Original Queen, and they went ahead and sent me this 20-inch water wave 4x6. Yeah, 4x6 lace closure unit. It was pre-cut, pre-plucked, and I did literally nothing but just install this unit. This is so beginner friendly. This is not my first type of wig like this from them, and I am living. Okay, I'm living for the results. The baby hairs are edging and I'm loving it. The curl pattern is nice. I'm living for this water wave texture, and it is literally like damn near fully dried. And this 20 inches is cute. It's so cute, such a cute length. I'm living for this. The springtime is right around the corner, and so is spring break, so they do have a sale coming up, and you guys definitely should purchase this gorgeous unit from OQ Hair. And if you'd like to do that, don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.